Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the sharpest source you have raw when possible, because sharpening can't recover severe blur. Once images are in, open the Develop module and head straight to the Detail panel. Sharpening is the first actionable fix. Increase amount slowly, use radius around 0. 8:1:2 for typical portraits. Make sure to hold Alt or Option while dragging masking to see where sharpening applies. This prevents noise amplification in smooth tones. Once sharpening is applied, treat noise next because aggressive sharpening exposes grain. Move to noise reduction. Raise luminance gradually until grain softens, while keeping the detail slider to preserve edges. Then address color noise with the color slider. Small corrections go a long way. Make selective adjustments. Use the adjustment brush to boost sharpening only on eyes or fine edges. This keeps background smooth. Remember to toggle before slash, after to confirm improvements, and make fine tweaks as needed. Finish by exporting at the resolution and format matching your use. You'll lose perceived sharpness if you downscale too much. Enable output sharpening for screen or print and choose low or standard intensity. This compensates for export softness. If the photo still looks soft, double-check the original focus. Lightroom cannot fully repair motion blur. In that case, try a deconvolution plugin or dedicated sharpening tool. If unexpected halos appear, reduce radius and masking, then re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.